Hi everyone, we are back again with our new series on lean concepts made simple. We will try to make the lean concepts, lean theories as much simple as we can make it for you for your better understanding so that you can get maximum benefit out of it. So before we move ahead, I would request and suggest if you have not already subscribed to our channel Tax Beast, so please do that so that you can keep on getting the updates on our new series. We will keep on updating the new episodes every week so that you can get the maximum benefit out of it. Let's move ahead. So lean concepts. So what is lean methodology? So lean methodology works on or focus is on the reduction of the waste or elimination of the waste from the process. So what is the waste? Basically any activity, any unnecessary activity or anything which does not add any value to the process is called a waste, right? So lean methodology completely focus on the elimination of the waste so that you can reduce the defects or reduce the time, or you can make the processes more effective and efficient. So there are two major benefits of lean methodology or lean concepts or implementation of lean in your area or work. There could be multiple, but majorly two benefits. One is reduction in the cost and the second one is increase in the profits. So these are the two major benefits. Every other benefit will lead to these two only. So that's why I'm just choosing these two benefits from the industry standpoint, that reduction in the cost and increase in profit are the two major benefits of the lean methodology implementation in any industry. Now, why lean is so important, or I would say, what is the power of lean? So, if we go back to the history, we will see there is a very powerful story about lean. If we see the Toyota history, in 1918, the Japanese industry owner Sakichi Toyoda created an automated loom which helped them to reduce the defects and increase the productivity, which drastically changed or increased their profits. And following those things, in 1929, that the production rights and the sales rights have been sold to a British company in 100,000 sterling pounds at that point of time, which led to the formation of Toyota company in 1937. So you can see that reduction of the waste, simple waste, automating a process could lead to formation of a new car company. So you can see what is the kind of power which lean holds if it is implemented in a proper way. So that's why we have already spoken about the waste. So that is the power of lean. So lean methodology is very important. If we understand it correctly and we implement this in a proper way in our work area or wherever we think it is feasible, it can lead to drastic positive results. Thank you so much. We will be back again with our new episode. Uh, so till then, thank you so much. Keep watching, keep listening to our videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.